Alright, so let's get this wheel off, see what we're working with. Now, I haven't touched this stuff. I haven't messed with this thing since I've had it. I don't know what's in here. Not looking forward to it. So we'll see. Y'all, let's see what it looks like. Okay, not bad. Rusted, but not bad. Alright. Okay. Alright, so here we are. I got the wheel off. It doesn't actually look that bad. It looks like someone actually upgraded this before. Looks like they have some drop springs in here. Not sure what I'm gonna do with these. I'm probably gonna just give them to one of my buddies. Drop springs and drop a spindle too, like a lowered spindle. And so I'm gonna go online and look. I think there's a upgraded mount for this the spring, but I'm not sure about that. That may be already upgraded. We'll look at that, and then I'm gonna go find all the pieces I need for these castle nuts, everything, right? What size I need, and then get those ready to go with the sockets, and then we'll start taking this thing apart. But yeah, it looks like it's gonna be fun times, man. Fun times. It looks like all my bars are good though. That's what's really important, right? So all these are really good. I can reuse. I think this is the toe link and I can't remember what this is called, but the steering. It's in the steering system or whatever. But looks like they're all good. I may powder coat them. I may not. I don't know. We'll see. But I know that these aren't gonna be any good, so I may have to replace those just for the or press that in, press that out if you can. I'll have to figure that out. All right, be back at you. All right, we'll get into it here. I got all the parts I need, all the tools and stuff. So we'll start taking some of this stuff off and then get these things knocked out. All right, y'all, found everything. It was just on the cart that I'm supposed to be using to, you know, get all this stuff out and situated. And it goes right there.